Hey subscribers, Willie here. We're at the end of another season of Bodyboarding POV. Can you believe how fast it's gone? That's right, we've whipped through summer here in Australia and most of you have been watching me throughout the entire season. Now if you've been following this channel since the beginning, you'll know that I hide absolutely nothing. So you've seen me through some good times and you've seen me through plenty of god-awfully bad times. We're going to recap the highlights over the last half year, cover the stuff you may have missed and talk about what's in store for Season 3. Okay, in this season, I stopped going to the easier beach breaks where I live on the Australian East Coast. Don't get me wrong, regular spots like Wombrel and Avoca are quality breaks and good fun, but I wanted to push myself harder this season, so we checked out some slabs like Foresters and a more remote break at Nora Head. These slabs are super fun, especially in bigger conditions and when there was barely any water covering the reef. I did occasionally get messed up and found myself getting rocked more than once, and I got cheese grated, and I broke my nose. I also got introduced to the mush buckets at Umina Beach and the savage shoreys of Pearl Beach. I had tons of fun at Pearl. It's a heavy shore break with a lip that hits like a sledgehammer. Now I'm not gonna lie, the waves there did make me squeal like a little girl. This upcoming season I'm gonna hit more new breaks like Pelican Beach, Gravelies, Littles, and a quaint little slab called Crackneck. Yes, the place sounds totally safe and absolutely nothing can go wrong, am I right? I switched up my videos this season to try different angles, draws, and my first tutorial. I'm really keen to hear what you guys thought, so be sure to let me know. My goals for this summer were to do better at drop knee and to actually land my El Rolos. I think I made a bit of progress, but I'll let you be the judge. I think I still have a long way to go. Goals for the coming winter season will be to start maneuvering better on DK, hit bigger rolls and tighter spins. Wish me luck! And that's it guys. Thank you again for watching and for all of your support. And while you're here, I want to show you a trip I took out into the middle of nowhere to find a secret surf spot. I'm going to this place again this weekend, so go ahead and check out how I found it here. Stay cool everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!